Health insurance can be so expensive that more than 1 million people are turning to another option called healthcare sharing ministries.
We've told you about these before, but now in an ongoing Action 9 investigation, our Jason Stujanki found that several states are trying to ban one of them. Jason?
Yeah, that's right. I've reported on this company before. It's called Alira. Now, it admits it isn't health insurance. It's an alternative, a kind of medical crowdfunding. Now, some say it's better than no insurance at all, but others say Alira is misleading people.
My husband's self-employed, and Obamacare is just very, very expensive.
So Kelly McFadden signed her family up with Alira.
It's less money per month.
She told me everything was fine until she took her children to the doctor for well visits.
My son was billed, we were billed $70. My daughter, we were billed $570 for her visit. And I said, well, why?
Different?
No, a little, some things, but not that drastic.
Then she needed a mammogram. She says she knew as long as she went to an imaging center that was in network, she'd only have to pay $55.
So the lady gave me the name about 3. And so I went to the one on exit 31.
But she says Alira still had her paying nearly $230.
They're totally taking advantage and giving me every excuse to not pay what they need to be paying.
Here's how healthcare sharing ministries work. You pay a set amount every month, no matter what. The money goes to members who have medical bills they can't pay. These plans are not health insurance and typically cover far less than insurance. Now, multiple states and customers are going after Alira.
We had a bucket full of complaints that were coming in.
Washington State's insurance commissioner is seeking $1 million fine against the company. In his opinion, Alira sold insurance without a license and misled consumers.
There's no question about it. They thought they were buying real insurance.
A Texas judge issued a temporary restraining order against Alira, preventing it from accepting new customers there. Colorado's Division of Insurance got a cease and desist order against Alira. So did the New Hampshire Insurance Department. I Skyped with its lead lawyer, Heather Silverstein.
It looks like Alira is administering claims or even acting like an insurance company, which is against our statutes.
Some Alira customers are suing the company, hoping it turns into a class action. And Alira is now on the FBI's radar after the Georgia Attorney General's office passed along consumer complaints. Alira wouldn't go on camera, but emailed me a statement saying it will continue to vigorously defend against false claims made about the administrative, marketing, and other support services we provide. We are actively working with regulators to address their concerns and are hopeful we'll resolve these matters soon. I went through 3 of Alira's brochures. You see a disclaimer on every page. It says this is not insurance. Still,
I did everything, especially for my mammogram, to the T.
Kelly McFadden was so upset with Alira, she turned to Action 9. The group wouldn't discuss her case with me, maybe for privacy reasons. It didn't say, but about 24 hours later, it agreed to cover everything in full. Now she's going back to actual health insurance. Now, if customers have a problem with Alira or any healthcare sharing ministry for that matter, they can always file a complaint with the North Carolina Attorney General or the South Carolina Department of Consumer Affairs. The only other recourse may be to sue the company, which may or may not be worth it.
And Jason, I know earlier you were telling me that the list of states taking action against Alira is really growing, but so far the Carolinas not on that list?
Not at this point. South Carolina's Department of Consumer Affairs told me it hasn't received any complaints involving Alira, so at this point there's nothing to investigate. Now, North Carolina Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey's office told me since Alira isn't technically insurance, his office doesn't have any authority over it. And North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein told me he's investigating complaints customers file with his office, which he does with every case, but still at this point, he's not taking any legal action either.
All right, it's good information there before you make any decision. Thank you, Jason.